Calling all mobile and manufactured homeowners in South Carolina. Did you know you may be eligible for financial assistance to help with critical repairs, weatherization upgrades, or even full home replacement? Many state, federal, and nonprofit programs exist specifically to support mobile homeowners like you with essential home repairs. One of the most widely available resources is the USDA's Section 504 Home Repair Program. This federal program offers loans and grants to help repair, improve, or modernize your home, and to eliminate health and safety hazards. Homeowners can apply for loans up to $40,000. Seniors aged 62 or older may be eligible for grants of up to $10,000 or $15,000 in designated disaster areas. To qualify, you must own and occupy the home as your primary residence, and your household income must fall within the USDA's low-income limits. If you're approved for a loan above $25,000, the USDA will also require full title service to verify ownership and property records. This program is especially helpful for homeowners in rural areas, and it can cover repairs like roofing, electrical work, or accessibility modifications that make your home safer and more livable. In South Carolina, the Housing Trust Fund offers the HTF Home Repair and Critical Home Repair programs. These programs help low-income homeowners make essential repairs that affect life, health, or safety, such as roofing, plumbing, electrical, and accessibility upgrades. Eligible homeowners must own and live in the home, and work is carried out through approved nonprofit or public sponsors. In many cases, you can receive up to $30,000 in repair or replacement funds under the Critical Repair Program. For homes built before 1978, or when lead-safe renovations are needed, special rules apply. Larger awards may require a restrictive covenant. Check with your local sponsor to find out whether you're eligible. There are also nonprofit organizations that may be able to help depending on location and needs. Groups like Rebuilding Together and Habitat for Humanity may offer free or low-cost repair services for low-income mobile homeowners, seniors, or people with disabilities. Program availability and eligibility requirements may vary by county or change over time, so be sure to check with the administering organization for the most up-to-date information. You'll find links and more information in the description below. And for more guidance on mobile home living, repairs, and support programs, visit us anytime at MHBO.com.